Hi, so let's start with an example. I have here the Sonoff automation. This is a Wi-Fi automation device. I will show an example. Now it is monitor on a PC. I mean my cell phone is monitor on the PC, and if I press power, so the LED will light. Now if I would press it again, it will shut off. What is amazing about this device that it is very cheap. You have a button here. I will talk about all what we can do with these devices, and also want to show you that you can power it on and off by pressing the switch fast. This switch is also used to do the pairing device. And now I will give some more data what is the Sonoff. So now let's take a look about a little closer about the Sonoff device. So what is so special about this box that is coming with this device inside? So basically this device is fully automated, a Wi-Fi control for home automation. Now I will give some details, but there are a lot of stuff that are related to the Sonoff devices that are coming from a single relay control, dual relay, or 4 channels. Also you have devices with an RF. What it means that you can use your mobile application, or you can use a remote control like this also if your phone is not close to you. Also available from the Sonoff devices is stuff like this. This is basically you put it in the wall like a regular switch on off button for a lamp, and you can also control it with the application with a very simple first initialization and adjustment. This device has 3 buttons, which is 3 can control up to 3 lights. You can touch and control it with the touch or with the mobile application that I will show in the next videos. The advantage of this one is that you have a very cheap prices for this product, and you can do it by yourself with a very simple application that are free of charge. Also, if you want to be an advanced user, you can also change the programming of these devices with operation system that will be more effective to use than the regular systems that are coming with this stuff. For doing this, you have to be a little more advanced, and you can use this USB FTDI board in order to change the firmware in all the Sonoff devices. Okay, so you have to open the box, and then you have a plug. You can connect with the plug and change the operation system of this box. But basically, if you are a, let's say, regular user, you don't have to use it, because the free tools that you have are quite enough in order to control all the automation. Another thing, I will put a link with description to all the products. There are more than 10 products that are related to these devices. They are all based on the ESP 82, the number is 8266 that is basically the board that I am in my hand right now. This is the basic transceiver, the Wi-Fi transceiver that enable all the automation of this stuff. It is quite easy to install. You don't have to be genius. You just have to press the button for 5 seconds and then the LED will start to blink fast, and then you use your phone in order to connect these applications through your Wi-Fi router with the password and the username of your Wi-Fi, and then it is connected through the Wi-Fi and you can control it with your mobile devices when you are out of home. I will show in the next videos how to burn this with another code that you can download. Again, they are all free sources on the net, and you can download it and burn and change a firmware to a better firmware that give more abilities to use. Okay, I think that for first video this is enough. I can say that the firmware that you can burn is called Tasmoda. So if you download the Tasmoda, you can change the firmware and be open to more abilities with these products. So thank you very much for now, and bye bye.